This, ladies and gentlemen, is a 10-minute makeup routine. I'm gonna time it because I only have 10 minutes. Start. Okay, we're starting with primer. Apparently that's what you do. Just kidding. I really did know that. And now for the main event. CC cream. Do I do concealer first or after? I don't know makeup rules. Okay. Wrong end. Oh my god, so many acne scars. Okay. I've wasted 2.5 minutes doing this somehow. I don't know how to use this brush, so very skilled. My Nona downstairs right now. All I can hear is her blasting somebody playing the piano on YouTube, so that's exciting. If you can hear it too, sorry. No copyright intended. For some reason, super red around my nose right now. I don't know that I've ever put concealer here because clearly I'm not very skilled at it. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. I just don't know what, and I don't have the time to figure it out. Moving on. Oh my god, how am I gonna do my eyebrows in this amount of time? What is it? The bronzer. Okay. Is it working? This stuff is like really pigmented, so it freaks me out. There's like nothing on this side, but let's pretend there is. That just won't go away, so we're just gonna have to live with it. Haloscope. I feel like when I rub, it wipes all my makeup off, so I'm gonna try and tap, but it just takes so long. I don't know how people have the patience to do that all the time. Sometimes I can do it, but not today, Satan. I don't even want to look at how much time I have left. It's probably like 2 seconds. Oh my god. 4.5 minutes. Don't forget the neck. My chin just looked monstrous at that angle. Okay, let's pretend that looks normal. Now what? Oh, let's try the eyebrows now, because that is just gonna, this is gonna be bad. You know what? I'm just gonna do boy brow today. I'm just gonna freaking YOLO. I'm gonna YOLO it. I always have to use my Anastasia Brow Wiz, the love of my life, other than my dog.
From your computer.
Really?
Yeah, not 2 of us.
Oh, she didn't say that to me before. Blush time. Clown me up. Did that even? Sure. Okay, I'm running out of time. I can feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Love is all around me. And that's how the feeling goes. Ow, just poking my eye out a little bit. It's totally fine. Did I do it? Oh my god, I'm done. 2 minutes to spare? Maybe I can go in with my brow pencil now. Just a little, not a lot, just a little. This is like an Olympic sport. Oh, there's fingerprints on my forehead now. Okay, I'm done. I don't have time to do an outro. Hope you liked it and subscribe, and okay, bye.